Hi, it's Debbie and Stain, and we're going to get a cooking lesson tonight. We're headed over to Alice and Sergio's, and she's going to show me how to make cataplanana.
Give me something good. I get wasted.
Cheers!
Cheers!
So this is what we're having, some gin and tonic made by Alice here, and we're going to show you the ingredients for the cataplanana.
Yeah, and
Cheers!
Stan, can I just say something?
Yes.
Stan looks taller than me because he's closer to the camera.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah,
Because
of course.
I'm
He's
following
actually-
you.
Because he's really like 7 foot
Okay,
tall.
okay.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers.
So tonight we're over at Alice and Sergio's, and Alice is going to give me a lesson on how to make Portuguese.
Cataplana.
I love the way you say
Cataplana.
it.
So
Cataplanana.
cataplana is the name of this copper dish, which is actually handmade. And what we're going to do is put everything inside here.
What is everything?
You'll
So
see.
what is? Okay. What is cataplanana? If anybody knows, put it in the comments down below. If you know what cataplanana is.
And then we just close it all and put it in the stove. So we're going to
In
start
the oven?
making. No, in the top of
On
the
the
stove.
stove. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So we're going to do that.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's get to it. Okay, Alice. So I see the cataplanana pot is
Yeah.
copper.
Yes.
Why copper?
Because
Because it doesn't rust. Because it doesn't rust. It's metal.
I have no idea.
It's-
I
yeah,
should,
it
I
doesn't
should
rust.
find out. You know that.
Come on, this
So onions, lots of onions. You
We
have
can
one
keep it-
whole white onion
because
there.
it doesn't rust. You can have it all your life.
Onions, garlic, peppers.
This is
Then I'll show you what herbs I also put in there.
Okay.
Actually, you can make the cataplanana with fish, you can make it with seafood, you can mix fish with seafood, and they even do a meat cataplanana.
Okay.
This is my own tomato sauce.
You
will-
made that?
Yeah, that will go there. So it's not out of the tin.
She's like, yeah. Like, we all do that.
So this is like a bed for that fish
Okay.
to cook on. Some garlic,
so what's it?
How many cloves you got there? Man.
loads
Loads.
of good cloves.
Loads equals like half a garlic.
But the secret is the nature of the ingredients.
Yes.
If the ingredients are fresh, obviously everything tastes so much better.
Correct. Oh, yeah,
I put
absolutely.
this in my cataplanana. So that is fresh turmeric.
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 Oh, that's
You've heard of
beautiful.
it?
Yes.
Curcuma.
Yes.
It's really delicious.
Really.
So I actually peel that. Yeah. Peppers.
And
I like
and today you said you kept specifying red. Why? Oh, you have green and yellow too, though. Oh,
well,
okay.
I
okay.
like red best because it's better for your digestion.
Oh,
Um,
really?
Yeah, I seem to digest better, and I like the flavor of the red better.
Okay.
Mhm.
So she's just putting it all in that cataplanana pot,
Yep,
and it's called a cataplanana pot.
the plana.
And the meat, or the meal, I'm sorry, is called cataplanana.
Yes,
Yes. Okay.
it's very
Wow.
Algarvian, typical of the Algarve.
Okay.
I believe it's like the influence of the Moorish influence because they have a tagine which is made of terracotta. So they say that is their influence in the Algarve because they were here for 500 years.
The Moorish.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that was their influence on our gastronomy.
Your food. Okay. Gastronomy.
Yes.
You're such a. Look at this. I mean, come on, guys. Just look at this seafood here. Fresh. I know
fresh.
Alice sent me a picture. I'll flash it up right here of this guy that Sergio got yesterday from a friend who caught it fresh.
In Sagres. So
In
that's
Sagres.
a Pargo. It's called Pargo. It's a type of bream. It was 4 kilos.
Which translates to 8 pounds. This is an 8-pound
That was a
fish.
big boy.
Wow.
So of course it's not all there, but
No.
a big part of it. Because the head, we do a lot with the head here. The head we're going to cook.
She says she's saying the head, guys, the head of the
Of
fish.
the fish.
Okay.
What we'll do is we'll it. And then we take all the bones out and we do like a nice fish pasta.
And we all know how much I love pasta. So
Oh, yeah.
pasta, fish,
Fish,
it all works.
seafood.
Seafood. So she's just chopping away down here.
This is parsley now, fresh parsley. I use coriander too.
So how long does this take to cook, Alice?
This takes approximately half an hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah. first
On
you
the
put it-
stove?
Yeah.
Okay.
You put it on high heat
Okay.
and then you lower it down. So I'm doing some black pepper over all of this. So I'm going to dish in my homemade tomato sauce into here.
Oh my goodness.
It is all goodness. Just cooked in olive oil.
So you made the tomato sauce with tomatoes from your garden
Yeah.
and
Garlic, onions, a little bit of wine,
oh,
of course.
of course.
So now in goes the fish. So it's laying on a bed of vegetables which will steam up and then cook this fish beautifully. So I'm going to put some sea salt now. Okay.
Okay.
And then you put it in the stove and then to finish off about 5 minutes before it's ready we'll put these big boys.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Actually I also have the fish liver.
Look at that. And that's
one.
for flavor?
Oh yeah, it's delicious.
That's a fish liver. And that tells you how big this fish was.
Absolutely. Olive oil.
Look at her. She's serious about her olive oil
Oh
here.
yeah.
You cook with olive oil a lot, huh, Alice?
Absolutely. I'm placing these herbs, which is called puejo, which adds a fantastic flavor to this fish.
And where do you get that?
By the river.
By the river.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So I just finish that up with a little bit of more peppers
She's adding more garlic.
and more garlic.
This is going to be fantastic.
Oh yeah. And then I put some fresh coriander. Of course we won't tell Stain. So he won't see the video until he eats it all.
So, my friends in America, coriander is, I don't know that everybody knows because I don't, but coriander is,
In Portugal, we say coentro cilantro.
cilantro. Okay.
Yeah.
So, when Alice says coriander, she's speaking of cilantro.
Cilantro.
Okay. Awesome. So Stain and I had Cataplanna back in 2009 in February for our Valentine's Day dinner. And we just loved it. And I've always wondered how you make it, and I love the copper pot that it comes in. Even in the restaurants, they serve it in the copper pot. So Alice has the copper pot. She's making Cataplanna. And I'm getting a little lesson here, so I may be buying a Cataplanna pot.
I'm sure you will. So I just finished off with some coriander, not too much.
Okay.
Because Stain apparently doesn't like it, but he won't know, I don't think.
You won't know it.
Actually, I just top it up with white wine. It's a very good white wine from the Douro region called Granjo, which I love. So I had this little bit left over from the other night. And I just add it to my Cataplanna. That's it. No water, just olive oil, the juices of the vegetables, and off it goes.
Oh, look at that. Is that the coolest thing ever? So she locks it down, yeah?
Yeah.
And so it sort of just steams in there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So off to the stove we go.
Yeah. And I will show you how it turns up in about half an hour.
Half an hour. Okay. Half an hour.
Now we can go and have a gin tonic.
And check out her little sign here. It's so cute. Here's her kitchen rules if you ever come to Alice's kitchen. These are her rules. All right. See you in 30 minutes.
And less time, for example.
More lemon, less time. So the more lemon you have,
So
less time it has to hide in the
No.
dark.
yes,
No.
but for example, you can do.
No, the more lemon you have.
Imagine you want your limoncello for Christmas.
Okay.
and you say, oh, I only have 1.5 months. No.
That's taken out.
I only have 1.5 months now. So
Okay.
instead of put 5 lemons, maybe put 7 or 8.
Hold on. I'm learning how to make limoncello. Okay.
Okay? So for 1 liter, 5 lemons. More
That
or less
size.
this size. or
5 lemons.
For
But
1
you
liter.
use this size.
Yeah, so
You
it's,
used how many of these?
it's this size is like 2 lemons like this.
Okay.
Okay, so more or less. Yeah. And then here it's 2 liters of vodka,
Vodka.
10 lemons,
10 lemons.
and now we wait 1 month.
Now we wait.
And after 1 month, we're gonna do like a syrup with brown sugar,
Sugar.
cane brown sugar, and water. Sorry about my English. And we mix inside and we wait for another month. And then we take all
So we're not going to
these-
have this by Christmas.
Yes.
No,
Ah.
No.
no. But we can try.
Yeah.
We can try.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. We can
So-
taste it.
Then you
Yes.
put it in bottles and put it in the fridge.
And then when it's ready, when we try and we think it's ready and we like it, because we will like it for sure, then we take all these
Peels out.
out.
Yeah.
And it's done.
And we drink it.
And we get the.
I wish you guys could smell this because it smells amazing. So Alice is about ready to put the prawns in now.
Oh, look at it.
Oh my heavens.
So this goes in now. Look at the difference.
So she's just laying those on there. So this is going to be for another
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. So we also have some boiled sweet potatoes,
Add to it.
and Alice is going to add that to that.
Beautiful gravy. Actually, you can make rice to go with it. I just love my sweet potato. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. Yummy!
Whoa, that looks beautiful.
Everyone at the table.
Everyone's there.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetito.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hope you enjoyed our cooking lesson on how to make Portuguese catapalana. Sure, it's going to be delicious.